Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can block websites on your Safari web browser in the Apple device. So in the first step, open the settings, then slide down and look for the screen time. Slide down again and choose the content and privacy restrictions. Go to the content restrictions, enter your password and tap on the web content. Now just select the limit adult websites and choose the add website button there, never allow. Now enter the website that you want to block. Click done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.